Here's an interesting question that I hear from clients. How important is having a message in your video? It's almost the only thing that matters, right? You want to be genuine, you want to be real, but you want to give people something for watching the video. They're looking for something, they're seeking something. If they want to watch a video for entertainment, they have Netflix. If they're watching your video, you owe them the message. It doesn't matter what the message is. The message could be a message of hope. You can do this, here's how. It could be the message of, let me explain this to you, let me share what we do with you, right? There's something that's driving the message of your video. Get to the point. What's the point? Right? And it's okay to talk around the point and have a little fun with it, but what you want to do is be able to have a message that is consistent with who you are and what you do across all the platforms, right? Hi, I am. We do these kinds of things for these kinds of people. The message is, if you have a problem that looks like this, we can solve that problem because we do it for other people all the time. We love doing it, really good at it. You should probably talk to us about getting your problem solved, right? Ultimately, that's the message. It doesn't matter whether you're a brain surgeon, whether you make sandwiches, or you have a gym that you want to market, or you professional practice. You solve some kind of problem. I'm feeling a little crazy, I need some therapy. I'm feeling a little hungry, I need a nice sandwich. What's the message? And if you keep that message consistent, people get to know who you are, what you stand for, and why you exist, why they should trust you, what you can do for them. Nobody cares what you do. Everybody cares what you do for them. So when you are firm with your message and have a closing statement, right, a call to action at the end of your video, then it all begins to really work together. And that closing statement, that call to action doesn't have to be bye, 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 bye. No. But here's how to get more information. Here's another video to watch. Download this. Give me a call to explore this a little bit, right? If somebody has gotten to the end of your video, they want to know what's next. You owe them the courtesy of saying, here's my message, here's what we do, here's how you can benefit, and here's how you can get a hold of me. Good question.